Here we go again. Let's talk about iOS or iPadOS 26.2.1. As you can see, we have the test unit here, iPad 9th generation. So let's try to kick this new iPadOS or iOS 26.2.1, the new release version. Okay, let's do this. First, I always recommend to erase all data first or restore the iPad or iPhone. Okay? And then before anything else, this procedure is not only for iOS 26.2.1. This tutorial supported iOS 15, 16, 17, 18 up to 26. Okay? And then you need to get the 3U Tools version 3.29 to prevent error like missing info please. So you can get the 3U Tools version 329 here. 3U. So there. Don't get this version 9. So you can go here. Download version 3. Get the 64-bit if you have 64-bit machine and get the 32-bit if you have 32-bit. That's it. To prevent error missing info please. Okay? First, this one I upgraded already. As you can see, the version is 26.2.1 already. So, this one is running iOS 26.21. But before I proceed, I want to erase all data to prevent error. Okay? Just do this step by step. You can get the 100% MDM bypass result. So let's do the erase all data. Just hit this one, check the box, and then erase all data. That's it. And wait. Let's see if this iOS 26.2.1 still can kick Windows platform using the old file, Road Bautista MDM untethered. So untethered meaning you can on and off the iPhone or iPad. Don't need to redo the process again and again. Wait until the iPad go to setup menu. And then some subscriber or some viewer, they ask me if new iOS release, they ask me always after bypass, hey bro, can I update this iPhone or iPad via Wi-Fi? Yes, absolutely yes. I tried already the 26. For example, you're running 26, exactly 26, 26.0 or 26.1, 26.2. You can update your iPad or iPhone using OTA, on the air, via Wi-Fi. No need to worry. It's safe. It's very safe. Don't need to redo the process again. Okay? Now, just wait until the iPad go to setup menu. Okay, erase all data done. After erase all data, no need to do anything. Just leave the iPad, something like that. Okay? And then go to iDevice. This step is very very important. So we need to activate the iPad first. Just hit the activate, and then you can leave this to check and then start. First of all, you can get this one, this Rode Bautis MDM untethered bypass under description below. So you can download this file and then extract it. After extract, you can see this folder. So as you can see, activated already. Just leave the iPad, something like that. Okay? And now, open this folder and then try to locate the Rode Bautis TV MDM Bypass 2025. Just hit this one, double click. No need to run administrator. As you can see, the iPad is rebooted. Okay? Now, close this Rode Bautis MDM bypass tool. No need anymore. And then, the next step is go to Toolbox, go to Backup Restore, and then under this folder, open it, and then you can see this backup file. So we need to add this backup file under 3U tool. How? So you can go to view all data backup and then add backups. I have already. So locate this folder, this backup, and then hit OK. That's it. And then after that, restore all data. And then next, let the 3U tools verify the files. And then, start recovery. Wait until the recovery done. Now we can check or see if the magic happened. iOS 26.2.1. This video is for update. Update for everybody. If this iOS or iPad OS still can kick. Let's check. Just follow this step carefully, step by step. You can get the 100% success rate if you follow this step by step. So until now, the old file Rode Bautis MDM untethered bypass is still working on this iOS. And then this tutorial is not only 26.2.1. Supported also the iOS 15, 16, 17, then 18. But if you have the old model, but as long as running 15 up to 18, I recommend use this guide. Let me show you. This one is 100% and effortless. This one, MDM bypass, iOS 15 to 18. This one is effortless. Very easy how to bypass MDM. Okay? But if you have 26, you can choose any video as long my video support 26. But most of this video new one supported 26 already. Now as you can see, recovery data complete. Just hit OK, and then now let's check if the magic happened. Let's check if this iPad 9 generation 26.2.1 can bypass, MDM bypass. So, continue. As long you in on the data and privacy, this one is confirmed. The MDM lock is bypassed already. Data and privacy. So, we are in. Just hit continue. And then this one is untethered also. So, untethered meaning you can on and off the iPhone or iPad. No need to worry. No need to redo again and again the process. So, confirm. The iOS 26.2.1 still can kick. Let me show you. So 26.2.1. Go to ID by so see 26.2.1. This one is official release. So can kick. No need to worry about this version. We can still bypass this version. So let me show you. This one is untethered. Let me on and off the iPad first. Off. And then now, on. Use version 3.29. Don't use the version 9 because the version 9, some user encounter missing info please. Under restore backup procedure. Okay? As you can see, no need to redo the process again and again. Untethered bypass. So that's it for this video. Let's wait the official release for iOS 26.3. As long I have the test unit, as long this iPad 9 generation supported on the new iOS, I can still continue this MDM bypass journey because I don't have any extra MDM lock. I have only this one, the 9 generation. If somebody have a lot iPhone or iPad with MDM lock, you can send me one for testing. Okay? That's it for this video. See you next one. See you on 26.3, the official release. Bye-bye.